Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Welcome.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
How are you?
Great.
Fantastic.
I'm so excited.
Let's go. My name is Brooke Verboom, and I'm an account manager for Fisher Paykel Appliances. Fisher Paykel Appliances started off in New Zealand all the way back in 1934. They brought the first refrigeration into New Zealand. Over the past 80 plus years, it's grown into a global brand. We're now in over 50 countries worldwide. And what sets us apart is we offer the beauty of choice with 4 distinct styles, from classic, contemporary, professional, and integrated. So any design customer comes in looking for, we can offer a kitchen solution for them.
Okay, let's start with everything. What can you tell me? I'm so blown away.
Well, we'll go over everything, but let's start off with refrigeration.
Okay.
So in your plans, you have a 42-inch space.
Yes.
And you're going to do columns. So big, tall, impressive looking, holds a lot of food. And you're going to go 24 inches wide for the fridge.
It's like taller than I am. That's amazing. Kevin's gonna need a stool. That was a short joke and we just need to get rid of that. Sorry, Kevin.
So if you open up that, looks just like the fridge.
Oh, wow. That's a lot of freezer. So when you think with the kids, especially in the summer, they bring over all their friends and then you've got to do hamburgers and all the things and barbecue. This is amazing.
Yep, and you can jam pack it full. One really cool thing about all our refrigeration, including the freezer, we have a technology called ActiveSmart technology, and it learns how you use your fridge. So it knows the busy times, and the way food spoils fast is the temperature fluctuates up and down. So if you're cooking breakfast at 7 o'clock every morning, it knows, and at 6:30 it's going to ramp the temperature down a little bit to accommodate for that temperature swing. It holds 91 bottles of wine, so you can have a really good time.
Just enough for the weekend.
Just enough for the weekend,
Okay.
But once the weekend has passed, you have another option here, which is called a cool drawer. And this has a wine setting as well, but it can also be a freezer and it can also be a fridge. It takes 6 hours to go back and forth between the two. So if you're having people over and you want to stock it up with wine, you can do that. And after that, turn it right back into a freezer or fridge to complement your family's needs.
So if I'm gonna cook, where am I cooking?
Cooking?
What are we thinking?
All right, let's touch on wall ovens because there's a few options there.
Okay.
So there's the choice to go with double wall ovens,
Okay.
which would essentially be these stacked on top of each other. So you have a lot of space to cook.
Okay.
Or the other option, which is a little bit more of a compact version, is to go with your regular full-size wall oven and then to do a speed oven on top of it. So a speed oven is a microwave and an oven in one. It's about a third the size of a normal oven, but in terms of cooking for a family, if you live a very busy lifestyle, the speed oven is going to come in very handy because, well, hence the name, it's speedy, it cooks fast. So you can do the microwave and the oven at the same time.
So it's a microwave and an oven.
And behind you is a very important part of the kitchen because it's going to keep it
Oh, right.
smelling nice. Get all the fumes out. So this is a hood insert, so it goes right into the cabinet, and you don't see it. We're gonna turn it on, it's gonna suck everything up. So this one here has an LED light strip across the front. It has 5 light settings and 5 fan settings. So it's powerful. At night, you can have it super bright if you're cooking, or if you just want it as a nightlight, you can turn it down.
Oh, that's good. I always use it as a nightlight for the kids because
Yeah.
they're on the other side of the house. So that's kind of like the one thing, you know, that we leave on.
Yeah. And last piece of the puzzle would be the dishwasher.
Did you see the video? Right at the end of as we were getting ready to move out, our dishwasher died and it would hum, but really loud. I have a great video of it. I'll share with all of you. I love this noise. I love it.
These are very quiet, I'm sure, right?
Yeah, very quiet. I had them in my condo and can't hear it. So it's great. We do drawers, which is great because it's 2 dishwashers in one. So the big benefit to this is if you don't have a lot of dishes, you can just use 1 drawer.
I always have a lot of dishes.
So then you can use 2. So the kids, it's a lot easier to open up 1 drawer and to load it up, especially if one's down here instead of opening a door like that and then pulling the racks out.
Is that more room?
It's exactly the same. Yeah, so standard dishwasher, here's the other one, is 14 place settings. So they're both 14 place settings, so you don't lose any space. The difference with this is you're going to have more versatility. I think one of the big things that we like to speak to is that the kitchen is the hub of the home now. It's not just a room located in the back of the house. So we have a tagline that we use called the social kitchen. So with our products and being in over 50 countries across the world, we have a lot of innovation and design focus from lots of different avenues. We really respect the social kitchen, and it's the hub of the home. It's where you hang out, and we design our products to be lived around, used, and ultimately enhance your life.